Every day, teams record product demos, onboarding sessions, and internal walkthroughs. These videos are rich with information and perfect for documentation. But turning those video recordings into structured step-by-step guides, that's where the work begins. Every screenshot is captured manually, every instruction written from scratch, hours of repetitive mechanical effort just to create one article. Introducing Eddy AI Writing Agent, your automated content assistant for producing documentation from video inputs. Just upload your meeting recordings, up to 30 minutes long, and Eddy does the rest. Eddy automatically extracts key steps, takes aligned screenshots, and generates a clear step-by-step how-to article. No more pausing and grabbing, no more formatting frustration, just accurate visual documentation instantly. Style guide customization is not supported for screenshot-based articles, but don't worry, the output is clean, consistent, and publishing ready. With Eddy's how-to article generator, your team saves hours without sacrificing clarity. And the best part? It works right out of the box. No setup, no formatting needed. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's repeatable, perfect for scaling knowledge across your organization. Why spend hours trying to create an article from a video when you can create and publish in minutes?